guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Radhika Mehta and I am here today to celebrate 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you so much to each and everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't already, please go and subscribe. So to celebrate 1000 subscribers, I am here today to answer some of your questions that I got on my Instagram DMs. So let's get right into it. So the first question that I have here is, how did you start dancing? So my dancing journey would not be as smooth as it may look. As a kid, I was thrown out of a dance class and I was told not to perform for our school gathering because I was a terrible dancer. I could not move at all. So that's how I started, and I think that made me hate dancing. And so after that I just left dancing. I did not try also at all till my mom forced me and my sister to join a dance class near our house. But then that also I left after a year because I was like, I just didn't enjoy dancing as much as I do now. So and later on I used to keep seeing their posts on YouTube or Instagram, like my dance class. I used to see their posts on Instagram and everywhere, and I used to see them performing on stage. So I think that's what drew my attention to dancing, because I didn't want to dance but I wanted to perform. So I think stage is what I enjoy the most as a dancer. So yeah, that's how I started dancing basically. How to become great at dancing? I myself am not a great dancer. I think to become a good dancer or a better dancer would be to explore new styles and to learn from, like, anyone whose dance you like the most. Just go and learn from that person and keep practicing. I think that's what will make you a better dancer now. What inspired you to get into YouTubing or creating dance content? Okay. So dance content was not something I was aiming for when I opened my YouTube channel. So as I was talking to my sister before opening my YouTube channel, was that I was like, I'll upload makeup videos, I'll upload fitness videos, and dance was my third priority that time. But then as we move forward to okay, let's practice, let's shoot, let's write a script or whatever. So at that time I started getting more ideas for dancing, and I had no ideas for makeup or fitness. So, and then I think it just happened automatically that I kept getting ideas for dance, and I still want to do a makeup video, I still want to do a fitness video, but it just doesn't happen. I just keep making dancing videos. I really don't know how that's happening, but yeah. When did you begin dancing? Like I said, I think I didn't start dancing as a kid. So I started dancing around 2011 or 12. Uske beech mein. Who's your dance idol? Okay. My dance idol has to be Sonal and Nicole from Team Nach. And I recently started following Abhishek Vednikar on Instagram, and I really like his work, and I think I learned a few choreographies from him as well, and I'm just in love with his style and I'm in love with his choreographies. So yeah, Nicole, Sonal, Abhishek, Vednikar. What's your next video? I have a lot of ideas for my next video, but there's one thing that I really want to do, which is I want to wear a Maharashtrian nath. That's the only reason why I want to do a Marathi song. So if you all can please help me with it and comment and tell me if there are Marathi songs that I can perform on. Please do that, because I really want to wear a nath. Who's your backbone? My backbone is, the backbone of this channel is my sister, because if my sister wasn't there in my life, I don't think I would be sitting here recording this video and celebrating 1000 subscribers. It's only because of her, because she's crying behind the camera.
I'm not.
So yeah, it's only because of her, because I have no idea how to use a camera. So to shoot this video, I have been sitting here since 4 hours now, and I didn't know how to operate a camera. So I was just like, okay, I'll wait for my sister to come and she'll shoot this video for me. So yeah, I'm useless without my sister. So yeah, she is the major support system for this channel. And of course there are other people as well, like my friends, who tell me if a video is looking good or not before I upload it. So yeah, I don't have a team as such, but I think, yeah, so my sister is one of the major supports that I have. Where are you from? I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. How do you manage your intense studies and your time on social media? Firstly, we don't really have to study because I'm doing BCom. Second, I really love what I'm studying right now. Like, yeah, so I love knowing about business and I love knowing about markets. So I think it didn't put a lot of pressure on me because I really love what I'm doing. So, yeah, it's not that difficult. How do you respond to all the fan love? On Instagram, it makes me so happy to reply to all the DMs and seeing that everyone is appreciating my work and seeing so many people replying to my stories and so many people recreating my videos, and it's so good, yeah, it really makes me happy. Hobbies other than dancing, by the way, congratulations, thank you so much. Hobbies other than dancing would be cooking. I love cooking, and makeup. The two things I cannot live without. Yeah, so cooking and makeup. How did your interest grow in dancing, and what efforts are you putting to set up in social media? Okay, my interest grew because I was getting to perform on stage. So initially when I started dancing, the only thing that I would look forward to was the show that we did in August and February. And so yeah, that's how my interest grew, because I used to continue with the class only to perform on stage as a student. And what efforts are you putting? Okay, so I'm trying my best to be as consistent as possible, and my sister won't let me sleep if I don't shoot a video before a deadline. How did you make this nice cartoon photo? Okay, so each and every picture on my social media, anywhere, it is edited by my sister. She is a lettering artist and she is amazing at it. I don't even think twice before telling her to edit my picture, because I know it's going to be great. And yeah, I think you should go and follow her. Her Instagram handle is right there in my description. Just go and follow her. She's amazing. If you were a superhero, what powers would you have? I don't want powers. I think I just want a Doraemon. Your favorite performance till date, and tell us more. My favorite performance on stage would be Galti Se Mistake, that I did, I think 2 years back. And my favorite dance video has to be Ek Ladki, because guys, I just crossed 100k views on that video and it has to be my absolute favorite to date. First song on which you had a stage performance. I love you too, Sia. Okay, first performance. It was on the song Zero Mashup. I don't know the actual name of it, but it was called Zero Mashup, and that was my first performance. And I was a terrible dancer when I performed, so that just kept me in the corner where no one can see me. And yeah, that was my first performance. So yeah, I think that's it for the questions, and thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do it. It really makes me happy. And please comment and tell me a Marathi song that I can dance on next. And yeah, see you soon.